Step 1. Download Gale Mod Manager. First, download Gale Mod Manager from Thunderstore. All the links you need are in the description below. Step 2. Install Gale Mod Manager. Once downloaded, open the folder and run the MSI installer file. Follow the steps to complete the setup and launch Gale Mod Manager. Step 3. Search for R.E.P.O and download required mods. Now, select the game by clicking the button next to Launch Game and choose R.E.P.O. To install the required mods, click Import, then choose Profile from Code. Copy the code from the description, paste it in, and hit Import. This will load all the necessary mods for you. Make sure to update the mods if there are any new versions available. Step 4. Install additional mods and launch the game. Now you can browse the mod store and install any extra mods you want. Here, I'm downloading the More Players mod. Once you're done, go ahead and click Launch Game. Step 5. Configure your mods and enjoy. Once in the game, you'll see a new section called Mods. This is where you can edit and configure everything you've installed. And that's it. Super easy. Feel free to subscribe for more quick tutorials and have a great day.